Hey John, Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips for you. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So really putting yourself in a position of being really authoric in all your content. I would really beef your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can lay your keywords. Those keywords are what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, it all matters. You got carrier repairs in there. Put keywords, it'll make a huge difference with your rankings. Now, if I go inside of Google and type in heating repair Panama City, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these to start replacing these old school ads. These old school ads have been very spammy. So a lot of people have been going away with ads. People have been coming up with ad blockers too. I don't know if you're doing ads. I'll see here in a minute. But anyway, so these Google guarantees are supposed to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls. I've seen ads anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click, so they do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Underneath those ads, this is where this little map section here. Now, really, to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really, what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We don't want to. We obviously want to. Don't stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way, we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that little map section, this is all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google. And really, to get there is going to come down to the all that content, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it, making sure you're being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, if I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. All right, so we got 9 referring domains pushing back 22 backlinks. Looks like you've had 148 historically. You started this thing back in 2016. Most of your backlinks came in 2018 or so. But anyway, you got 49 keywords you're being found for, so you got 7 clicks on average to your website. Now, this PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads here. I don't know if you're running like TV, radio, commercials, things like that. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But seeing where those clicks are coming from, we come into the keywords. This is what you're being ranked for. You got your name for a lot of it. Air conditioning repair, Panama City for FL. That's buyer's intent keyword there. 90 clicks every single month. Your 25th position, missing all the traffic. So air conditioning, Panama City, another 100 clicks. 30th position, once again missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is Ridge. Put them inside of Ahrefs. They're kind of showing you what they're doing. They got 21 referring domains, 136 backlinks. So they didn't go crazy in their backlinking. They just got really good high authoric backlinks, by the way. So they got 65 keywords, which is pushing back almost 100 clicks to their website every month. But what's really impressive, where the quality of this traffic, where it's coming from. So these looking at his keywords tells us the position, the amount of traffic he's getting per keyword, and also the volume of clicks per keyword as well. So giving you a couple of examples, air conditioning Panama City FL, 70 clicks. He's getting 27 clicks from the 70 because he's that first position. Ridge Heating and Air, that's his name. AC Repair Panama City, there's 100 clicks every month. He's 4th position. He's getting about 10% of the traffic from that volume. Should be a little bit better than that though. A lot more, like 100% more of that. Air conditioning repair Panama City FL, there's another 90 clicks, 4th position. Getting 60 clicks out of there. HVAC Panama City FL, 30 clicks. So really coming in, finding these keywords that's just really going to serve you. Making sure you're pumping a lot of power so that way you can actually get to those top positions there. So that way you can actually draw in a decent amount of traffic from those as well. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to hit me back up. Love to talk to you. You can leave a review on this, tell me how I did, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.